everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Yes, I have Miss Charlotte today because she's just very high maintenance for mommy today, but I am here to share with you guys what I got at CVS. I was not expecting to get very much at CVS, and then I ended up buying another newspaper, and then I found out so I got more coupons than I thought I was gonna get, which I was super excited about that. Oh, somebody sneezes. But yeah, I'm pretty excited to share with you guys what I got, and I actually had a funny story happen to me while I was at the checkouts. Like, it ended up becoming a huge mess, like something leaked and it went everywhere. But I'll share with you guys when I get to that product. I'm just putting Miss Charlotte in my lap because she's just drinking her bottle. So if you guys hear some weird noises, it's just Miss Charlotte drinking her milk. The first deal that I actually was excited to get is the Wet n Wild Hit the Showers Face and Body Cleansing Wipes. So I think these are makeup removers. Yeah, it removes dirt, oil, makeup, sweat in one swipe. I'm really starting to like wipes. So I was really excited to get these. Now these were not in my normal spot where the Wet n Wild was, and I'm hoping that somebody's just super tired. I'm hoping I can get the register reward for these because there's no tag for them. So these were $5.99. I had a 3 off of 12 CRT that I used for Wet n Wild. I paid $8.98 for the both of these. But then you guys would get $7 back in an ECB extra care box, making these $1.98 or just 99 cents a piece. And there are 25 wipes in here, so I was pretty excited to try these out. So I think next time they have some more of those deals, I'm definitely going to do the wipes, because makeup wipes, you cannot go wrong. Like, I have so much makeup, I can definitely do the wipes. Okay. Okay, I ended up doing she drops her pacifier all the time, and I can never find where she drops it because she's just a little stinker. Everything is just falling today, you guys. I am so unprepared for this. Okay, so the next deal we did is I ended up getting the Annie's macaroni and cheese because I had a CRT for 2 off of 2 that printed off. So I'm like, oh, are these on sale? Now I looked at the sale price, and this deal is good until the end of the month, almost at the end of the month, so it's like an all-month sale. So the Annie's macaroni and cheese were 3 for 3, so $1 a piece. I used a 50-cent off digital coupon that we had. It's a 50-cent off of 2, and then I also had a 2 off of 2 CRT, so I just paid 50 cents for 3 boxes of cereal. So I was pretty excited to get that. I do like Annie's. I do eat it from time to time, but I'm like, you know what? I might even donate that to the local food shelter because I'm really into donating stuff. So I'm like, you know what? Even though I might eat it, I still am pretty excited to still share with, you know, people who need that stuff. So, yeah. And ended up getting the Arm & Hammer laundry detergent. Now this was $1.99. I just ended up using the $1 off digital that we got, so you guys would just get this for 99 cents. So I was excited to do that, and I just did that deal with one card. I ended up doing the Crest mouthwash. Now these were $4.79. I had one coupon and one digital coupon for $1 off. I also had a 2 off of 6 mouthwash. I paid $5.58 for both of these mouthwash, but then you guys will get $3 in an ECB times 2, making this a 42-cent moneymaker. So I got my mouthwash absolutely free, plus I made some money, so I was pretty excited to share that deal. I also did, now this is the deal that's funny, I also did the Febreze one. Now, I don't know what the heck happened, but we checked these out, and when she gave me my bag, because I use my reusable bags, she's like, oh, something's leaking out of there, and I look at it, and this puddle of water just comes out, and I take the bottle, and it's absolutely empty. So one of these completely drained into my reusable bag that I use, but the bag didn't leak, thank God, but it did, once I opened the bag, it like went everywhere, and everybody's like, and as I'm cleaning up the mess, it like went in my shoes and everything, and everybody's like, what's that smell? And they're like, oh, it smells good, and we're like, oh, it's just the Febreze that broke open. So it was just funny. She's like, oh, I guess it does smell better up here. So it was just crazy. It was everywhere, in my shoes, on the carpet, all over the countertop, but it was still funny. So these are whatever, $6.49. They're buy one get one 50% off. You guys want to use that buy one get one free coupon, so the max value for that coupon is $5, so she just put $5 on it. And then I also had a 2 off of 2 CRT for Febreze 1. They didn't have the refills anymore. The refills would have been a better deal, but they just had these. But these come out to be just $2.73 or $1.36 a piece. It's an okay deal. I still think it's a pretty good deal. I like these. We use these all the time. So I was excited to get, more Febreze added to my collection. So there's that. Now I went crazy over Kotex because I did one deal and I did a different deal. It just depends on what you guys have. So with one of my cards, I ended up buying 2 of the Kotex tampons. These were $6.29, so I ended up buying 2 of those. And then I also bought the liners, and these were $4.79. And again, they were buy one get one 50% off. I used a 4 off of 2 coupon for this one, and I used a 4 off of 2 coupon for this one. And then I also received a 4 off of 2 CRT for any feminine products. So I ended up paying $4.16 for all 4 of these, which I still think is a pretty good deal. But then you guys would get $5 back in an ECB, making it an 84-cent moneymaker. So I got these all for free, plus I made money, and you guys can submit your receipt to Fetch Rewards, and you guys will get points for that also. So this is an item that I will definitely be donating. I don't want to donate more feminine products to the school. Once school starts, I will probably donate more to them, because you know what, they're free, and I'd rather give them away for people who need them. So I did the same deal again. I bought 2 of the liners, and then I bought 2 other different liners. So what I did is I bought 4 different liners, and then I got two of these. And I did that one transaction, and then I ended up doing this in a separate transaction because I didn't want them to deduct this. Because with CVS, it keeps track of how much you spent and how much money you need to spend. So, but if you guys do it all in one transaction, you guys can do that fine. So these were all $4.79. Again, buy one, get one 50% off. This one was $1.79, so I ended up doing that. But I ended up using 2 4 off of 2 coupons. I used 2 4 off of 2 coupons. Yeah, I had a 4 off of 2 regular CRT. I had also a 2 off of 2, and then I had $1 off of 6 Kotex. All those coupons scanned just fine, worked perfectly. So I paid $1.61 for all 5 of these items. But then you guys will get a $5 register reward, making it a $3.38 moneymaker. So I made money buying all these. So like I said, I'm pretty excited to donate all these to the school. But then you guys can also submit your receipt to Fetch Rewards. So sharing you guys that deal. I also did the Almay lip balm or the lip gloss. I've actually tried these and I really like it. They're very pretty. I tried like an iridescent one and I dropped one on the floor, but I did try an iridescent one. So these were $10.29. I had a $3 off coupon that we got in today's paper, plus I had a $4 off instant coupon from last week that I used. So I paid $3.29 for this, but then you guys will get a $4 ECB, making this just a 71-cent moneymaker. So I did it with both cards because I didn't want those CRTs to go to waste. So that is one deal that you guys can definitely do. And then I ended up also getting some of these moisturizing facial wipes. I'm getting the fragrance free. I just heard fragrance free for your face is just a little bit better, so I'm like, you know what, I'll get these. But there are 25 wipes in this one. So these are $2.99. I had a $2 off any CVS 360 makeup wipes, so I always get these, and I'm going to continue getting these because these are great. So you guys would just get this for 99 cents. I'm like, 99 cents? Oh yeah. And then the last deal that I did, or actually I got one more deal, and then I got another deal. It looks like these melted. I ended up doing the KitKat Bars. Now the KitKat Bars are 99 cents, or they have other candy bars. One of these got soaked. One of these got, like, I wonder if this one got wet, or just melted in the car. It might have melted in the car, because one of these got soaked with that Febreze stuff. But these are 99 cents. You guys will get that instant 74-cent off CRT. You guys would just get these for a quarter. So I got 2 cards, so I ended up just doing it that way. And then the last deal I did was a shampoo deal. Now the L'Oreal Paris these are 2 for $8, so I use a $3 off a 2 coupon that we got in today's paper, or you can use the digital coupon or the instant coupons to print on coupons.com. And then I also got the Tresemme. The Tresemme was 2 for $10, and I used a 3 off a 2 coupon that we got in today's paper for that. I also had a 4 off of 18 CRT. So I ended up paying $6 for 2 bottles of Tresemme and 2 bottles of the L'Oreal. But then you guys will get $3 back for buying 2 of the L'Oreal and $3 back for buying 2 of the Tresemme. So these come out to be just $2 a piece, or just 50 cents, or $2 for all 4 of them, or just 50 cents a piece, which is a pretty good deal. And then the Tresemme, you can also get points through Fetch Rewards too. So make sure you guys submit your receipt for that. But other than that, that was my haul. I think I did pretty good. I was only going in there for like a couple items, and then I got some CRTs, which I was excited about, and then I found out that I got more coupons in a different newspaper that I got. But my total came to $3.61 for everything. So $3 for all that stuff was awesome. I ended up using $34 worth of ECBs, but I did receive $37 back of ECBs, and a lot of those products that I did get did qualify for beauty, so I should be getting money for beauty. So if you add everything together, I paid 61 cents for all that stuff. I got 28 items. Everything cost just 2 pennies a piece. I will take that all the time. But yes, I was super excited about my haul. Everything went by perfectly except the Febreze falling or spilling all over the place. But other than that, it was awesome. I hope you guys can enjoy my video and hope you guys have a good shopping trip. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys all later. Bye-bye.